how to pin YouTube to Windows 10 taskbar. You can do this with your Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to pin your YouTube on your taskbar, then what you need to do is you need to simply open up your browser, any browser which you are comfortable with. You can simply choose your Microsoft Edge browser, or you can choose your Chrome browser. So if you have your Edge, click on Edge and open up your Edge, and then go for the three dots which is on the upper right, and from here you can click on More Tools and then click on Launch Taskbar Pinning Wizard, and here you may have YouTube option. So here I already have YouTube as pinned to my taskbar, so I don't have YouTube. But if you have not pinned your YouTube, then you will have a YouTube option. So what you need to do is, for example, I'll be showing you for Netflix, right? So if you have YouTube under this Netflix, you can simply click on this box which is here on the upper right and then click on continue, and here it says that would you like to pin Netflix to your taskbar, and if you want to pin, click on yes and continue. Now here on the bottom you can see that you have Netflix on your taskbar. So that's it. That's how you can pin your YouTube to your Windows 10 or 11 taskbar. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.